Podcast. I'm Galen Druk. A couple weeks ago on this podcast, pollster David Byler referred to the post-Labor Day part of the presidential primary cycle as, quote, silly season. And folks, that may have been prophetic. For those politically tuned in enough to notice, last week was full of the kind of hand-wringing and accusations of bias surrounding the polls that you'd usually expect from the final 2 months of a campaign, not the final year and 2 months of a campaign. The focus was largely on general election polls, whether a Wall Street Journal poll showing Trump and Biden tied is to be trusted, or to make of a CNN poll showing Nikki Haley as the only Republican with a lead over Biden outside the margin of error, and how to understand data from the New York Times suggesting that Biden is losing notable support amongst voters of color. There may be some interesting questions in all of that, and we're going to dig into them right here on this podcast. But if you spent the first week of September